Welcome, fellow seekers of inner wisdom and empowerment, to a transformative journey that will unlock the remarkable power of visualization and imagination. Prepare to be inspired as we delve into the depths of self-discovery, tapping into the limitless potential of our minds. Close your eyes and envision a life where your dreams become reality. This is the essence of the law of attraction. Through visualization and imagination, we align our thoughts, emotions, and actions with our desires, magnetizing them into our lives. Through the practice of meditation, we develop the focus and clarity needed to harness the full potential of this universal law. Within each of us lies an untapped wellspring of wisdom and power of the soul. Through meditation, we embark on a sacred journey to discover the depths of our being. Visualization and imagination become our guides, leading us to the well of infinite possibilities within. Here, we awaken our true essence and unlock the creative force that resides within our souls. Imagine your body as a vessel of divine energy, flowing through every cell and fiber of your being. Through meditation, we learn to consciously occupy and cultivate this life force within us. By harmonizing our energy, we restore balance and vitality to our mind, body, and spirit. Visualization and imagination become tools to navigate and direct this energy towards our intentions and aspirations. As we deepen our meditation practice, we begin to experience the interconnectedness of all existence. Visualization and imagination become bridges that dissolve the illusion of separation. We tap into the flow of oneness, recognizing that we are an integral part of the vast tapestry of life. In this state, we access the boundless creative power that permeates the universe. In a world filled with chaos and distractions, meditation provides a sanctuary of calmness and tranquility. It is in this sacred space that we nurture the power of visualization and imagination. As we close our eyes, we quiet the external noise and connect with the stillness within. Through visualization, we create vivid mental images that transport us to a place of peace and serenity. Our beliefs shape our reality. Through the power of visualization and imagination, we have the ability to reshape our beliefs, aligning them with our true desires. By visualizing our ideal relationships, success, and personal growth, we create a blueprint for transformation. Meditation acts as the catalyst, anchoring these visions in our subconscious mind, leading to positive shifts in our reality. Meditation equips us with powerful tools to navigate stressful situations with grace. By practicing mindfulness and visualization, we develop a fresh perspective on challenges, finding hidden opportunities for growth and learning. We learn to remain present in the moment, detach from negative thoughts and emotions, and cultivate a sense of calm amidst chaos. Within the realm of meditation lies a limitless playground for our imagination. Through visualization, we ignite our creative spark and tap into our innate creativity. We become explorers of new worlds, inventors of new ideas, and creators of our own destiny. As we strengthen our imaginative faculties, we unlock the doors to infinite inspiration and innovation. Meditation teaches us the art of patience and the beauty of stillness. As we sit in silence, focusing on our breath, we learn to surrender to the flow of life. Patience becomes a virtue, empowering us to embrace the present moment and trust in the unfolding of our journeys. Through visualization and imagination, we cultivate patience, allowing our dreams to manifest in divine timing. Dear fellow seekers, as we conclude this transformative journey, remember that the power of visualization and imagination lies within you. Through the practice of meditation, you have the key to unlock your fullest potential. Embrace the magic of your mind's eye, and witness the transformation of your reality. Trust in the process, surrender to the journey, and allow the power of visualization and imagination to guide you towards a life of unlimited possibilities. Remember, within you lies the power to manifest your dreams. So breathe, meditate, and unleash the extraordinary power of visualization and imagination.